Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Jeep Wrangler. First, identify the type of lift kit best suited for your vehicle, considering your driving needs and desired lift height, perhaps 2 to 4 inches. Next, gather all necessary tools, including jacks, jack stands, and wrenches, along with essential safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Finally, prepare your Jeep by parking on a level surface, chalking the wheels, and disconnecting the battery. Now, let's get into the installation. Begin by safely supporting your Jeep on jack stands and removing the wheels. Carefully disconnect and remove the existing springs, shocks, and other suspension components. Then, install your new lift kit springs and shocks, ensuring they are correctly seated on all 4 corners. Always double-check that all bolts and nuts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety. With the main suspension in place, you might need to install new track bars and control arms to correct axle positioning and caster angles. It's also crucial to inspect your brake lines. If they are too short, install extensions to prevent damage during full suspension articulation. Finally, adjust your steering components, such as the drag link, to ensure your steering wheel is centered and ready for a professional alignment. Before hitting the road, conduct a comprehensive inspection of every component you've touched, ensuring everything is secure and properly installed. Next, it is absolutely essential to get a professional wheel alignment to correct any changes in camber, caster, and toe. Finally, perform a cautious test drive in a safe area, listening for any unusual noises and checking for proper handling and braking before enjoying your newly lifted Jeep Wrangler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.